Have you ever been in a cafe and noticed two people deep in conversation? They're leaning forward at the same time, taking a sip of their drink in unison, maybe even crossing their arms in a similar way. It's like watching a silent dance. Or maybe you've had that funny moment where you and a friend yawn or say the same word at the exact same time and you share a laugh about it. What you're witnessing isn't just a coincidence. It's a powerful, subconscious social tool called mirroring. And here's the secret. You've probably been doing it your entire life without even knowing. But once you learn how to consciously harness its power, it's a bit like young Skywalker recognizing and finally wielding the Force. It's a game changer. So, what exactly is mirroring? In simple terms, mirroring is the unconscious or conscious imitation of another person's gestures, speech patterns, or attitudes. Think of it as our built-in social Wi-Fi signal that says, I'm like you, I'm with you, we're on the same team. You see it everywhere. In a heated, exciting discussion, people naturally fall into the same poses. One leans back, the other follows. One plays with a pen, the other fiddles with a keychain. Their energy is focused entirely on the conversation, and this physical synchronicity happens entirely on autopilot. It's the ultimate sign of rapport, a connection so smooth that their bodies are literally in sync. Why should you care? The power of building rapport. Okay, so it happens subconsciously. What's the use of knowing about it? Well, that's where the magic comes in. You can use mirroring as a deliberate tool to build trust and comfort with someone. Being around someone similar to us creates a profound sense of ease, understanding, and safety. It's a primitive, tribal feeling. If you're like me, you're probably not a threat. By gently mirroring someone, you trigger these feelings in them. They'll subconsciously link all that comfort and ease to you. And before you know it, rapport develops without you having to force a single joke or story. You're building a bridge of connection without them even seeing you lay the bricks. Your practical guide to conscious mirroring. Let's get into the how. It's a subtle art, not a robotic science, and it unfolds in 3 natural stages. 1. Following, the art of the subtle echo. This is where you start. Whom do you mirror? Simple, the person you want to connect with. How? By subtly adopting a similar posture or doing similar movements after she does. Now your mind might scream, "This is stupid, she's going to catch me." That's the voice of the dark side. Ignore it. The truth is, when done subtly, people almost never notice the imitation consciously. Instead, they just feel that growing sense of comfort and familiarity with you. 2. Pacing, finding the rhythm. This is the transition phase where you start doing movements at the same time. It sounds impossible, but it's not. Remember that simultaneous yawn with a friend? That's pacing in its wild, natural form. It means the initial connection has been made and you're now moving in rhythm. You're no longer just following, you're moving with them. 3. Leading, the moment of truth. If you followed and paced effectively, you arrive at the final, most powerful stage, leading. Now you can test the connection. Try a small, natural gesture like scratching your elbow or taking a sip of your drink. If the rapport is strong, you might just see her follow you. It's a quiet but powerful revelation that the connection is now a two-way street, and you're guiding the dance. A word of caution, keep it cool. Now, a quick reality check. Some advanced techniques, like mirroring, breathing, or blinking, are often discussed, but I'd advise caution. Staring at someone's chest to match their breathing can easily be misinterpreted, and the intense concentration required will pull your attention away from the actual conversation. The goal is to connect, not to perform a complex scientific experiment. Focus on the broader, more natural gestures. Posture, hand movements, the general energy. Keep your mind engaged with what you're saying, this not with what your body is doing. So the next time you're in a conversation, take a mental step back and observe this silent dance. Notice the mirroring happening around you, and then, gently, try it for yourself. Use this natural, powerful force not to manipulate, but to connect on a deeper level. You might be surprised at how easily you can turn a simple chat into a genuine, comfortable connection. After all, who doesn't want to talk to someone who just gets them?